Taking advantage of the month of the holidays, today we bring you 10 very beautiful playgrounds that can be made at home. So separate the old tires you have out there, paint them, and with a little creativity, we can create great toys. Every child likes to play with sand, right? In that idea, a flower bed was made with sand where children can enjoy and play castell without having to go to the beach, and with the tires, supports were also made for these cans, which in addition to decorative can also be used for planting flowers, for example. And in this other idea, who has never played hopscotch, you can reserve a space for that in your backyard, and with a little more investment, you can create a traditional playground for children. And nothing prevents you from mixing creativity and recycling with this project. There are plenty of cool ideas here. Now I want to know which of these ideas you liked the most, and tell me in the comments. And don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to this channel, activate the Tinker Bell notifications to stay on top of the next videos. Until then, bye.